A small, fluffy brush can help to blend the product seamlessly, while a damp beauty sponge can help to create a more natural-looking finish. Avoid using harsh, angular brushes, which can create harsh lines and make the makeup look more obvious. Another important factor to consider when contouring gently and naturally is the type of makeup products that you use. Cream products tend to blend more easily and look more natural than powder products, which can sometimes look cakey or heavy. Look for cream contour and highlight products that are designed to blend seamlessly into the skin, and choose shades that are tailored to your skin tone. Finally, remember that less is more when it comes to contouring gently and naturally. While it can be tempting to pile on the makeup in an attempt to create a more dramatic effect, this can actually make the makeup look less natural and more obvious. Instead, focus on creating subtle shadows and highlights that enhance your natural features without completely transforming your face. In conclusion, contouring can be a great way to enhance your natural beauty and create the illusion of more defined facial features. By using the right products, tools, and techniques, it's possible to achieve a subtle, natural-looking contour that flatters your face without looking too heavy or overdone. Whether you're getting ready for a special occasion or just want to add a little extra definition to your everyday makeup look, contouring gently and naturally is a technique that anyone can master with a little practice and patience. Contouring is a technique used in makeup to sculpt and define your facial features by adding shades of light and dark. When done properly, contouring can subtly enhance your cheekbones, jawline, and nose, awakening your face without looking obvious or overdone. Learning to contour naturally and gently will give you a refined, balanced look. To contour gracefully, start with the right products. Cream contours and bronzers are the most natural looking as they blend easily into the skin. Use neutral to slightly warm tones that are only a shade or two darker than your skin. Avoid anything too orange or red toned as it can look uneven. Cream products also allow you to build the color up gradually to find the right depth and dimension for your face. If you prefer powders, go for finely milled formulas that blend seamlessly. Begin by applying your base and foundation as normal. Then tilt your chin up, pinch your cheekbones, and trace the hollows with your finger to locate your natural contour points. For a subtle look that matches your facial structure, follow these contour lines exactly, not going above or below them. You can also practice different positions in front of a mirror first to map out where to apply your products. Gently sweep a small amount of contour product onto the hollows of your cheeks using short, upward strokes with a brush or sponge. Blend and feather the product outwards and upwards toward your temples. Keep working in thin layers and check your progress in natural light in between. It's easier to build up the contour than take it away, so start light.